How to assign a user to a MySQL database in cPanel. This demo assumes you've already logged into cPanel and are starting on the home screen. Now let's learn how to assign a user to a database. Click the MySQL Databases icon. Under Add User to Database, select the user you want to add, and then select the database you want to add it to. When ready, click Add. Select the privileges you want to grant this user. In this case, let's select All Privileges. Then click Make Changes. That's it. The user has been assigned to the database. You can see the user assigned to the database in the table of databases. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to assign database users to databases in cPanel.